Very good evening, students. Hope you all are doing very well. So this is the online coaching for Tsrjc and Polycet 2025, and this is sponsored by Jatadhara Educational Technology. And today in our class we are going to do similar triangles. All right. So we are directly going to do the problems. So you can have your textbook, then you can have your notebooks. Whatever you want to refer, you can refer. All right, students. Yes. See here, these are all similar triangles. Okay, right. So you see here, see, the size alone differs. Okay, so we say the triangles are similar if their shapes are same. Shape is same, but the size may differ. We can say that the shapes are same if the angles are equal, the length of the sides are proportional. So these two are the points when we say that the triangle is similar. All right, so with this note, we are moving on to the very first sum. So for each and every sum, I'll give you time, at least minimum of 1 minute, so that you can think over it and then you can do the sum. Here in this figure, you can see that DE is parallel to BC. AD is to DB is 1:2. Then triangle ADE is to ABC is what? Since, it's the first sum, let's do it together. See, we say that the two sides in the figure BE and BC are parallel, isn't it? So the ratio of their corresponding sides is also equal, okay, to the ratio of AD is to AB. And here it is given that AD is to DB is 1:2, isn't it? So it implies that AD is one part and DB is two parts. Is it clear, students? So AB is one part and DB implies two parts of the line segment AB. Therefore, AB is made up of 1 plus 2, 3 parts. Isn't it? Okay. And AD is one of those 3 parts. Thus, the ratio to AD is to AB will become 1:3. Okay, AD to AB. Okay. So, the ratio of AD is to AB will become 1:3. Right? So, the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the sum of the squares of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So this you would have read it in the similar triangles theory, isn't it? So it becomes twice. So the ratio of the areas of two triangles is equal to the squares of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Therefore, AD is to AB is 1:3. The ratio of the area of triangle ADE to the area of the triangle ABC will become their square, that is 1:3. 1 square is to 3 square, that is 1:9. Okay, so that is how you are getting this. Okay, so hope you would have got the answer and noted down the explanations as well. Let's move on to the next. Yeah, all right. See the next question. Triangle APC similar to triangle PQR. So it is not APC, it should be ABC. By mistake, it's written APC. Okay. So triangle APC, APC is similar to triangle PQR if AB is 3.6, PQ is 2.4, PR is 5.4, and then what is AC? Is it clear? Hope it's clear. All right. So I'm just giving you 1 full minute, students. You can quickly work it out and give the answers. All right, let's see this 8.1. So before that, let me see how many of you all have given me the answers. So let me quickly move to the online mode. Yes. Yeah. So I have here Shweta, Muhammad Irfan, Varsha, Banu Priya. Yes, almost everybody have given me the answers. Sridhar, Nikita, Saranya. Yes, perfect. Many of you have given me the answer. Let's move on to the next question. In the figure, AD represents dash of the triangle. Is it altitude? Is it center? Is it perpendicular bisector? Or is it a median? Okay, so AD represents what? Is it an altitude? Is it a center? Is it a perpendicular bisector or is it a median? Let's, it's a theory question, so not much time can be given. It is a median, right? So it cannot be a perpendicular bisector because it is not exactly dividing BC. Isn't it? Again, students. Yeah. All right. See the next question. Yeah. So I'm getting all answers from you students. Good. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. M is the midpoint of BC. N is the midpoint of QR. All right. So if the area of triangle ABC is equal to 100 centimeter square and the area of triangle PQR is 144 centimeter square, okay, and they've given you AM as 2, then what is PN? Okay, so if AM is 2 centimeter, what is PN? You have given me the answer as 2.4. Saranya says 2.4. Srinitya, Vinay Patel, Sindhu. Let's see. Yes, it is 2.4. Right. Good. See the next question. The ratio of perimeters of two similar triangles is 4:9. Then the ratio of their areas is dash. Okay, so you can take 1 full minute, students, to work it out. So what is perimeter of a triangle? A plus B plus C. isn't it? Okay, so probably with this you can do. So of course, area is half into breadth into height. Okay, so perimeter is 4:9. What is the ratio of their areas? So the formula has already been given to you, half into base into height. Let's see, it is 16:81, just the square. Okay, 4 square is 9 square. Okay, all right. Now, area of equilateral triangle whose side is A units is dash. So this is a formula. Area of equilateral triangle whose side is A units is dash. So it's a formula. So I'm sure all of you would have given me the answer yes. Neeraja, Sagar, Mohan, Sharanya, Bhanupriya, Hemalata, Srinitya. Many of you have given the answers. Good. It is root 3 by 4a square. Okay. So it is root 3 by 4a square. Good. See the next question. If triangle PQR, in triangle PQR, PQ is 6 root 3 centimeter, PR is 12 centimeter, and QR is 6 centimeter, then what is angle Q? Okay. So in triangle PQR, PQ is 6 centimeter, PR is 12 centimeter, QR is 6 centimeter, then what is angle Q? So hope you all are doing. Sharanya, Vinay Patel. Everybody are giving me the correct answers, almost all. Varsha, Sharan, Nagalakshmi, Nikita Reddy. Okay, yes, you are right, Reddy. It is 90 degrees. Correct. Yes, see the next question. The lengths of diagonals of a rhombus are 24 centimeter and 32 centimeter. Then the perimeter of a rhombus is dash. So the lengths of diagonals of a rhombus are 24 and 32. What is the perimeter of the rhombus? What is the perimeter? Right. So you know perimeter is nothing but just the whole sides of the figure, isn't it? Okay. Okay, let's see the answer. It is 80. All right. Okay, see the next question. In triangle ABC, if M is the foot of the perpendicular from A to BC, then the order of points are dash. Okay. In triangle ABC, angle C is equal to 120 degrees. If M is the foot of the perpendicular from A to BC, then the order of points are dash. Is it BMC or is it MBC or is it MCB or is it none? All right, so time is running. Let's see the answer. It is MCB. Okay, all right, now here. The perimeters of two similar triangles ABC and PQR are 60 centimeter and 36 centimeter. If PQ is 9, then what is AB? Okay, so if PQ they've given you the perimeter 60 and 36. Okay, so PQ is given 9. Then what is AB? Nagalakshmi is giving also 1. Why 2 answers? All right, see the answer here. It is option 4, that is 15. All right. Yes. Which of the following are not the sides of a right triangle? Which of the following are not the sides of right triangle? Right triangle. All right, it should be 9 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and 7 centimeter. See the next question. In triangle AB, D is the midpoint of AB, E is the midpoint of BC, and F is the midpoint of AC. Okay, so you have D, E, F. They are the sides of AB, BC, AC. Then triangle DEF is to triangle ABC is dash. The question is triangle DEF is to triangle ABC is dash. It should be 1:4. Okay. All right. See the next question. In the triangle ABC, the sides are 6 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and 8 centimeter. Then triangle ABC is a dash. Is it a right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, acute angle triangle, or is it none? So I'm getting answers from Udasar, Vinay Patel, Nikita, Pranay, or Pranay, Chintamani, Darshan, Sagar, Srinitya. So many are giving me the answer. It is right angle triangle. Right. See here in triangle ABC, BC square plus AB square is equal to AC square. Then the right angle is at dash. Okay. So I'm not able to write away, so I'll just draw it and show you. Okay. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC plus BC square. Then the right angle is at where? It is at B. Because B should be the base, starting base, center point. Right. See the next question. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. M is the midpoint of BC. Then triangle BMA is dash. The right angle triangle, is it an acute triangle, is it an obtuse angle triangle, or is it none? M is the midpoint of C. So then triangle BMA is a dash. Is it a right angle triangle? Is it an acute angle triangle? Or is it an obtuse angle triangle? Or is it none? Okay, so it is a right angle triangle. All right, see the next question. In the following figure, DE is parallel to BC. Then what is X? Okay, then what is X? So full 1 minute you can take to solve this, but solve it very quickly. Okay, let's see the answer. It is root 7. How many of you have given me the answer? Reddy, Srinitya, Pranay, Charanya, Vinesh Patel, Hemalata, many more have given me the correct answers. The next question. The area of two similar triangles are 25 meters square and 36 meters square. If the median of the small triangle is 10 meter, then the median of the larger triangle is dash. Okay. So if the median of the smaller triangle is 10 meter, then the median of the larger triangle is dash. So quickly do it and let me know the answer, students. You all are sending me a message. Mudasar, Srinitya, Nikita, Ravi, Kanya, Darshanam, Sagar, Varsha. Okay, let's see the answer. It is 12 meter. Okay, yes. Here comes next question. In a rhombus, the diagonals intersect at dash. So these are all concept-based questions, so you need to give the answer. In a rhombus, the diagonals intersects at dash. So probably here is the picture of the rhombus. So the diagonals intersect at dash. So it should be 90 degrees, isn't it? So both are 90 degrees. Okay. So see the next question. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, angle A is 50 degrees, then angle Q plus angle R is dash. Okay. So in triangle ABC, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, angle A is 50 degrees, then what is Q plus R? Okay, so it should be 130 degrees. 180 minus 50. Okay, 180 minus 50. See the next question. Yeah, so 180 minus 50 is 130. Good. See the next question. The ratio of sides of two similar triangles are 4:9. Then their areas are dash. The ratio of the two similar triangles are 4:9. Then what is their areas? Should it be doubled? So one hint I have given you. Let's see how many are taking up this. Nagalakshmi, Banu, Priya, Dinesh, many more have given me the answers. See the answer, it should be doubled. We just saw one some similar to this, isn't it? So 4 square is to 9 square, which is 81. All right, see the next question. Yeah. In the given figure, angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees. BD is perpendicular to AC. BD is perpendicular to AC. And AB is 5.7, BD is 3.8, CD is 5.4. Then what is, okay, so it is very clearly given. BD, BD BD is perpendicular to AC. Okay. So AB is 5.7, BD is 3.8, CD is 5.4. What is BC? See the answer, let's see, it is 8.1. All right, yes. How you can see here? So angle B is equal to angle D because this is area similarity, that theorem. It says triangle CBA is similar to triangle CDB. Okay, so BC by CD is equal to BA by BD. So we don't know what is BC, but we know what is CD, that is 5.4. And we know BA, that is 5.7. And BD is 3.8. So by cross multiplying, we can find out the value of BC. All right, see the next question. In the figure shown, angle B is angle, then AC square is dash. What is AC square? But here you should know that the midpoint, I mean, D is not the exact midpoint of BC. Okay. So your answer must be, what is AC square is AB square plus BC square. Okay, whatever your Pythagoras theorem says. AB square plus BC square plus 2BC into DB. That is A plus B the whole square we have taken. Okay, all right. See the next question. Triangle PQR is an equilateral triangle. S is the midpoint of QR. Then triangle PSR is dash. Okay, so please understand the question. Triangle PQR is an equilateral triangle. Okay, so S is the midpoint of QR. Then triangle PSR is dash. Is it a right angle triangle? Is it an acute angle triangle, or is it an obtuse? It should be right angle triangle. Okay, so you can see the figure here. See the next question. In a right angle triangle, triangle ABC, okay, in that angle B is 90 degrees, AB is 1, BC is 1 by Q. AB is 1 by P, BC is 1 by Q. Then what is AC? Okay, so then what is AC? So you can work it out and then give me the answer. You are not in a real big hurry, because please work it out and give me the answer. So I have with me Sridhar, Sharanya, Bhanupriya, Pranav, Sindhu, Darshanam, Sagar, Raju, Devasani. Many more are giving me the answer. Let's see the answer. It is root of 1 by P square plus 1 by Q square. Root of 1 by P square plus 1 by Q square. Yes. So AC square is AB square plus BC square. Therefore, AC square is 1 by P the whole square plus 1 by Q the whole square. So AC will be root of this, isn't it? Okay, see the next question. The perimeters of two similar triangles are 30 centimeter and 15 centimeter. If one side of the first triangle is 18 centimeter, then the corresponding side of second triangle is dash. Okay. So if one side is 18, what is the corresponding side of the second triangle? Let's see the answer. It is 9 centimeter. You can see here ratio of perimeters is equal to ratio of corresponding sides. That is 30 by 15 is equal to 18 by x. So therefore, the value of x becomes 9. See the next question. A ladder reaches a window of building 15 meter above the ground, and the distance of foot of ladder from the building is 20 meters. Then the height of the ladder is dash. We just need to find out the height. Okay. So therefore, the height of the ladder is dash. All right. So let's see. It should be 25. AB square is AC square plus BC square. Therefore, AB square is 15 square minus 20 square, which implies AB is 25. See the next question. If the angles of a triangle are the ratio of 1 is to 3, then the ratio of the corresponding sides is right. So hope you all are thinking about this. So the ratio of their corresponding sides. It is 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Okay, so you can see here sum of angles is this x plus 2x plus 3x. Therefore, adding up you get 180. So you get sorry. Yeah. So 1 is to 2 is to 3. Then the ratio of the corresponding sides is 1 is to 3 is to 2. Okay. So you can just add up all the sum of the angles. What you get is x is 30. With this, we can find out BC is to AC is 1 is to root 3, AC is to AB will be root 3 is to 2, BC is to AC is to AB is 1 is to root 3 is to 2. All right, now see here the next question. In triangle ABC, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. AB is 3.6, PQ is 2.4, PR is 5.4. What is AC? In triangle, okay, let's take this. So this is similar to this. Okay. So A, B, C. So AB is 3.6. So this is PQR. PQ is 2.4. PR is 5.4. What is AC? But here they've given 3.6. Okay. So this is a rough diagram. So you can quickly find out the value of AC, which is 8.1. Right. See here. 3.6 by x is equal to 2.4 by 5.4. Cross multiplying, we get the value of that. See the next question. If AB is to YZ is equal to BC is to XY, equal to AC is to XY, XZ, then triangle ABC is similar to dash. Triangle ABC is similar to dash. So you can take your 1 minute to do the answer, students. I can see how many of you are giving me the answers. Varsha, Raju, Sharanya, Bhanupriya, Abhurekhan, Chittamani. Okay, so this triangle is at YX. See the next question. ABCD is a trapezium with the AB. With the AB is parallel to BC. If AC and BD intersect at E and triangle AED and BC are similar, then dash. Okay, so ABCD is a trapezium. So you all must know in trapezium, it is something like this. ABCD. So AB is parallel to DC. If AC, their diagonals, and BD intersect at E, then triangle AED and triangle BEC are similar. Then what? Then it is nothing but AD is equal to BC. All right, see the next question. ABC is an isosceles right angle triangle. And C is 90, then what is AB square? What is AB square? So it should be AC square. All right, so AB square is nothing but AC square plus BC square. So AB square is AC square plus what is BC square? It is AC square, isn't it? So therefore you get 2 AC square. All right, see the next question. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Angle P is 60, angle Q is 75, then what is A? Then what is A? So quickly we can do this, students. Don't take more than a minute. Yes, is it 90 degree, 75 degree, 40 degree or 60 degree? Okay, right, see, let's see the answer is 60 degrees. Okay, so with this we close for today, students. So tomorrow we will meet again with another very interesting topic and subject. So till then, you can always refer to our YouTube PPTs if you have any doubts. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel, Jatadhara Educational Technology. Meet you all tomorrow with another very interesting topic. Thanks for watching.